So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Towers, Sukat, to check this new foreclosed condo unit. For bidding po to, around 1.6, 20 square meters, Tower 7. But before we check the unit, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. Across SM City, Sukat lang po siya. Ayun yung SM. And katabi niya lang po C5 extension. So going to Makati and BGC kaya mga 30 minutes on a normal day basta hindi rush hour. Amenities natin may half court, parks and playground and swimming pool. So let's go and check na natin yung dalawang units. So these are the units. 8th floor. Magkatabi po siya. Yan. Ito yung isa and then ito yung isa. Yan. Around 1.6 million each. 20 square meters each. So madumi lang siya, maalikabok. And mode of payment is cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance. Bank financing plus taxes and fees. So yun yung SM and then yun yung flyover going to C5. And then doon sa may overpass na yun, ayun no. Ayun yung daan papunta sa C5. Kaya papunta sa Makati, BGC, kaya yan mga 30 minutes. Basta hindi rush hour. So parang may tagusan siya. May pinto dito. Again, starting bid natin is around 1.6 million. Bathroom niya. So madumi lang siya, maalikabok. Kailangan lang ng linis. Pero overall, still sale na po to. Prime location, 20 square meters. And then along Sukat Road or Dr. A. Santos Avenue. And then ito yung isang unit. Actually, pwede mo siyang gawing pag-isahin Kasi meron ng abang, ayan binutasan na siya and drywall lang naman siya. So pwede nyo siyang tanggalin. Same view. Bathroom niya. Yan. So, madumi lang talaga siya. And this is as is where is. Upon turnover. Again, this is for bidding. If you are interested to make a bid, please message us directly. Ito yung amenity area nila. Swimming pool. Yan. Adult pool, kiddie pool. Tawid lang tayo ng SM. SM Sukat. Na actually binabaha dyan sa SM. Pero hindi naman pinasok tong condominium, yung labas lang. And ginagawa na rin ng solusyon ng LGU. Inaayos na yung drainage doon para hindi nabahain dito sa area na to. Pero itong condominium mismo hindi siya pinasok ng baha. Hanggang doon lang sa labas.